Hi guys, so today I'm going to explain what variables are in C Sharp. So variables provide temporary storage during the execution of a program. Variables are placeholders used to hold values. A variable has a name and a data type. A variable's data type determines what values it can contain and what kind of operations may be performed on it. To declare a variable, you must declare the type of the variable and then give it a name. So declare the type, like if it's an integer or a string, and then give it any sort of name with characters that C# accepts. And then you can either assign a value to the variable, or you can just end it with a semicolon and assign a value to the variable later. Here's some examples of a variable. So you can see the first one is int. We declared the variable as an int. We named it number and assigned the value of 20 to that variable. The second one is a string. We've given it the name ifName and assigned the value of John in it. And if you assign string variable names, you have to put it inside quotation marks. Okay guys, let's look at an example. Start a new project in your Visual Studio and open a Windows Forms application. Okay, then once you have the form, go to your toolbox. Okay, then just add a button to it. Then add a text box. And then you can just name the button greeting. And then add a label. Then the text of the label, just change that to enter name. Okay, then double click on the button, go to the code behind. And we're going to type in string. This is our variable we're declaring now. It's a type string. We're giving it we're calling it name, and we're setting the value of that variable to the text box, whatever text the user types in the text box one. And then we're just gonna let it display message box. So just type in message box dot show. And then in quotation marks, just type in low and make a space. And then outside the quotation marks, just put in a plus. That's called concatenating. So you adding two strings together basically. And then we put in the variable name there, so it's going to say hello and whatever the user puts in text box 1. So let's test it quickly. Right, start the program. Sorry, it's just taking a bit long to load. Okay, so I'm just going to type in like the name John and then click on the button, and it works. Then it put in the right variable there. Cool, so everything works fine. So that's how you basically do that. That's how you use a variable. Hey guys, so C# has a whole bunch of built-in data types. You can go to MSDN. I'll put a link in the description. Yeah, and then it will basically show you the built-in data types you can use. There's a whole table here, and it gives you information about what values you can put in that data type. So it will really help you with your variables if you go to this website. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I hope this helped to explain variables in C# to you, and we'll put up more videos soon. Cheers.